So the number one question I've gotten lately is, how did you do that? So now it can be told, take this little camera, the Insta360, this is the X3, but you could use any of the Insta360 models, marry it with a $25 selfie stick, and then prepare to walk around in a circle, walk down the street, have some fun, and then import the footage into your phone and edit like a pro. Insta360 shows you how to pull off these effects with step-by-step directions. They're pretty easy to follow and a lot of fun. What better way to spend a Saturday afternoon, right?
This is pretty easy stuff that anyone can do. For the sky swap, simply walk a short distance holding the selfie stick. For the crazy fly laps where it looks like I'm flying a drone down the main street, it's very simply walk for 3 minutes in a straight line. After that, we have the flash dash where you're going to hold the camera over your shoulder on the selfie stick, followed by the clone loop. Again, really easy. Walk in a circle. Freeze throw, toss the camera in the air in a place where you feel comfortable that you'll actually be able to pick it up without hurting it. I did it at the beach, and if it fell in the sand, so be it. The parallel planet, run or walk about 2 inches around the camera. And now it's time to edit. First thing you want to do is import the footage into your phone, which is pretty easy to do. You can do it via Wi-Fi within the app. And then, now you want to find the desired effect, click the appropriate clip, and then let Insta360's AI do its magic. From there, export the final version to your phone and share it with the world. And prepare to get the question, how did you do that?
Cost-wise, I paid about $450 for this X3 model, which I like. This is my favorite because it's got a big preview screen. You're looking at about $25 for the selfie stick. And then another really cool accessory, this is pricey, but it'll really help you out. $60 for a little card reader that will plug right into your phone. That's the skinny. Have fun. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm Jefferson Graham. Please stay tuned to Photowalks TV for more travel and photography tips and tricks. I'll see you on the next Photo Walk, everyone. Bye-bye.